Hey Swaminarayan students, thought for the day is the future depends on what we do in the present. Children, today we are continuing with part 2 of lesson number 2, that is inserting charts and pictures in Excel. Okay, before starting this, let us just revise what we studied in part 1. Right? First of all, we studied the types of charts. Right? We have different types of charts in our Excel like column chart, line chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart and pie chart. We also saw how to create a chart, right? And we created a line chart. We saw how to create a line chart in the last session. Today we'll see how to change the chart types, right? Suppose in the last session we saw how to create a line chart. Suppose I want to change that line chart to column chart. So how will I do that? So to do that, the Excel provides an option, right? So what you will do, first of all, you will again select the range of the data, right, which you have written, which you have typed on the Excel. After that, go to the insert tab, right, and select the clustered column tab, clustered column option. As soon as you'll click on that, the column chart will appear, right? So again, if I want to change this column chart to pie chart, so what I'll do, I'll select the all the datas, all the range which I have typed in the Excel. I'll go to insert tab and I'll from there on all the charts I'll select pie chart and the pie chart will be appeared on your screen. Chart tools, right? Once the chart is inserted, a set of chart tools arranged in 3 tabs, it appears on the ribbon, right? These are visible only when the chart is selected. When if you have not selected any chart, this will not be visible, right? These 3 tabs can be used to edit a chart, right, to modify a chart. Let's see how. First, if you want to switch the row and column in the chart, so how will you do that? First of all, to do any changes in the chart, you will need to select the whole chart first. So select the chart, right? As soon as you will select the chart, this contextual tab, this will open, right? As soon as this will be visible and it will be open, what you will do, you will click on that, right? After that, you will select the row and column button from that data group and you will be able to switch the row and column. Chart title. How will you add a title to the chart? So to add the title, what you will do, see, as you can see on the screen, you will select the chart first and after that, from the layout tab, you will click on the chart title and click the above chart. As you can see on the screen, right, in the layout tab, chart title is clicked and after that above chart is clicked. So what will happen? Like this, population detail, you can see population detail is typed, right? So the heading, the title, it will be written, it will be shown on the top of the chart. Okay, this is all for today, children. In the next session, we'll learn about the rest of the chart chart tools. Okay, Jai Swaminarayan.